It's about 20 degrees and snowing. Let's see if it starts. As you can see, it hasn't been touched. I don't think we've started it in, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks. Little grouchy. Yeah. Might take a little bit of effort, I guess, but it's a diesel and it's cold out and it hasn't started in, gotta be a week or two, I believe. Not too bad for a truck that hasn't started in a couple of weeks. But yeah, outside of that, it's in pretty good shape. There apparently is a rag down here that, I don't know where that came from. But it's got brake controller. We have a club on it. There's tape in the deck. Let's pop the hood and take a look. A little tricky one-handed. Custom grate. I don't know. Pretty clean for a Midwest truck. Upper Midwest, I should say. Thanks for looking.